Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Pumpkin Pie Pusheen cat. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the ears. Draw an upside down curved V shape. And then a line across on the right. And then another ear with the same shape. Now from the left side, continue the line downwards for the side of the body. Let's draw the whipped cream on top now. From the left side of the right ear, draw a curved line up. Now from the top, curve it down and back into the ear like this. And then a curve on the right. Now one last curve on the right like this. Let's continue drawing the shape of the body now. On the right, draw a curve over, stopping here. Now leave a gap for the tail and continue the curve down. Next, let's draw the shape of the tail in the gap with a long curve out to the right and back in. Then add some stripes on the tail like this. Let's draw the bottom of the body now. Hop to the bottom left and draw a small curve for the foot. Now add a curve over to the right, stopping under the ear. And then add one more foot here. Hop over to the right side now and add another foot outwards. And then connect the lines to finish off the body. Let's draw the face now. Draw a circle in the top left. And then color it in black. Now move over to the right and draw another eye in the same way. Next, in between the eyes, draw two hook curves for the mouth. Let's add two whiskers on either side now like this. Let's add some more details to the body now. Draw three thin angled U curves at the top of the head between the ears. And then add two curves at the top of the body here. Let's draw the pumpkin pie next. From behind the back leg, draw an angled line down. And then curve it downwards. At the bottom, curve it in. And then add a straight line across to the left side. Now add another curve at the bend here. And draw a straight line across parallel to the bottom line. Next, from the left foot, draw an angled line down, stopping here. Now curve it downwards. And then one more curve to connect it to the bottom line. Let's add the crest now. Above the tail, draw a curve. and then another curve down from the right side. And one more upside down U curve to the right. Now continue this line down on the right, curving it in at the bottom. Then draw a straight line across. And add one more curve at the end to close it off. And that's it for this cute pumpkin pie pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.